Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, Toronto PDAC 2020. We are now at the booth of RosCan Gold, and with me here is Andrew Ramcharan, and he's responsible for corporate development and investor relations, and for a long time here, first time again on TV.
Thank you very much.
Hey,
nice
Andrew, good to see you. Yeah, that's fantastic. We know each other a long time. And now you are with RosCan Gold. Maybe you can give us a short overview. What's the company doing? What this is about?
Very good. Thank you very much and welcome to Toronto. I hope the weather treats you well.
Oh, absolutely. That's perfect.
Nice
Thank God
you.
it's not so cold.
Nice seeing you again. So RosCan Gold is in West Africa, and you can see here we're in West Africa and we're based in Mali.
Okay, nice. Yeah.
So we are in a very prolific belt here. As you can see, the good thing is here we're like close to B2, IAM Gold, Oklo resources here. So we are strategically located in a really good jurisdiction here. As we know, Fekola is doing about 600,000 ounces of production per year. So we're strongly, equipped, and we're strongly in a position to take this company to the other level. So we've just started in December. We have a new CEO, Nana, who just came from Claris, Chairman Sir Sam Jonah, some great investors, Mike Gentili. So from December to now, we have done quite a lot. And the key thing for people to note here is that, we have the ingredients. We're strategically located. We have a very good project. We have a strong team. Okay, super.
So then let's dive into it directly. So what was the year 2019? What was the biggest success for you? And I think you had just a very important press release like some days ago, right?
Yes, that's correct. Yeah. Yeah, we actually did an amazing press release on Thursday. And as we all know, the market were crashing on Thursday, Friday. In Toronto, the exchange actually went down due to technical difficulties. And we were one of the only gold stock that actually went up. So that was very, very interesting. But to answer your question more specifically, in 2019, we've seen a lot of success at RosCan. What we did, we were focused on drilling, and we think drilling is the fundamental thing to understand what's happening in the ground. The bottom line is drill. And we did a discovery fence on the southern part of the permit here. And we found that to be very exciting for us, and we followed up with that this year. And based on the follow-up, we started drilling in mid-January, and the press release was based off of that. We've completed 50 drill holes.
50?
Yeah,
wow, that's a lot.
Yeah. But
what lengths in total?
It's 2,773 meters. But what we did, we follow up on our 2019 target, and what we delivered to the market was very exciting. We, as a team, believe in the stability and adding value to shareholders. So how we did it, we came out with 500 meters of strike length. And we showed depth continuity. So this is one of our significant intercept, 88 meters at 3.18 grams from surface here.
Whoa.
So what it did, it shows depth continuity. It shows width continuity. And we're very excited with the grades. As you can see, we have some really decent grades at surface.
Very nice, I must say, yeah.
And some of the holes end in mineralization. So our plan is to bring things out in batches instead of coming out with a hole and get it stuck up there, so that we can ensure that the shareholders are getting maximum value.
Fantastic. So 2020, what are, let's say, the biggest targets for you, the biggest milestones you want to achieve?
Oh, very good. So we're very excited with the results from last Thursday. And with the market crashing on Thursday and Friday, and we did well, we believe we'll continue drilling on the same target here. We'll do some infill, and like you said, we are going to do some deeper diamond drill holes. So we want to see how far this goes to depth here. We want to understand the continuity, and because of the success, we are mobilizing another drill and increasing our drill program because we have another 7 important targets. Our next focus is going to be around on the western part of our property boundary, which is relatively close to Fekola.
Oh, nice. Like that's B2 Gold. Yeah.
Exactly, like 8 kilometers. So the success is coming, and the team is there. the ground is responding favorable to us. So we are very excited for 2020
fantastic.
to add value to the shareholders.
So when I see all these terrific results you had so far, is that correct if I understand that like you are further exploring first and then you probably might do a, let's say, a production decision by yourself? Or do you think because you are surrounded by such lovely companies like Gold, B2 Gold, etc., that you maybe say, okay, we want to team up with them or even we sell the whole thing?
So our focus fundamentally is to create value to shareholders. And doing that, what we plan to do is to continue drilling, continue exploring the other targets. However, our doors are open for discussions because, you know, whatever adds best value. But fundamentally, you know, we are a small team and we focus on the drilling.
Yeah.
And we have 7 targets, additional targets that we are going to focus on. But, you know, we see, you know, this is a prolific belt. And we believe where our share price is, for example, our peer, Oklo, here, with Seiko, they're trading at least 3 times our market cap. So we see the uprise here in share price
big
valuation. Exactly. We see the potential here.
Fantastic. So as you are drilling a lot, of course, and also you want to drill this year, what is cash in the bank? Are you well cashed up for that? What are the largest shareholders? What has management in the game here?
Great. So we raised the money late last year, and we have some really great investors, Mike Gently, just to name one of the few. So we have about $3.5–4 million now sitting on, and the key thing is that we have warrants coming available in July.
Good.
So we have another 4 million coming available. But the thing is, what we see is that the uprise of our share price, it's gaining a lot of traction to the market. So people are knocking on our doors too. So in terms of cash for this year, I think we're in a decent position.
Comfortable position,
yes, exactly.
Super.
And the results are coming, so I think we have all the right ingredients.
Okay, super. So what does it look like now for a resource? When can we plan on that?
So we're continue drilling. We're on a 10,000 meter drill program that we're planning to extend to another 30,000 meters because of the success. And dependent on the next 10,000 meters, we'll go back to the drawing board. We'll sit with the entire technical team at site, and we're going to start strategizing. Is it adequate now to start proceeding to a resource estimation step, or should we be doing more?
Okay.
Should we be looking at the other targets and have multiple targets just in case? So at this time, we would say we'll wait a little more to decide at the next level when we can proceed.
What makes sense, really?
Exactly.
Okay, super. Well, Andrew, that sounds like a good game plan. Thank you very much for this insight. And we wait for more good drill results from you guys.
Thank you very much. Yes, and keep abreast of the story. It's interesting. Good team, good project. Good jurisdiction, and nice seeing you again.
Nice seeing you, Andrew. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, it was Andrew Ramcharan, the Vice President Corporate Development and Investor Relations from RosCan Gold, and you heard it. It's a Mali exploration story, and the interesting thing is the neighbors are like Gold, like B2 Gold, and they're very close to them. So that is fantastic. Great drill results they really reported so far. And what is really important for me also as an investor, when I look at companies like this, they have approximately $3.5–4 million in the bank. We'll get hopefully another 4 million from the warrant exercise in the summer, and that is key to success because they are cashed up for this year and they can produce more results, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people have them already on the radar. So check it out. Thanks for watching us, and bye bye from Toronto.